Hi everyone, here we've got Honor Play 7 and let me show you how to reset network settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on the system. Now let's tap on the reset options. It should be under the backup option, and as you can see at the very first position we've got network settings reset, so let's tap. Now your device is telling you that it will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you're ready, tap on reset settings. Remember that you cannot undo this action, so if you're ready, tap on reset settings again. Let's wait a second. And as you can see, all network settings have been reset successfully. So that's all. This is how to reset network settings in your Honor Play 7. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.